Hey, in this one I wanted to quickly show you what is the difference between Docker entry point and the CMD command, which seem similar, but they're different, and I remember they confused me a tiny bit at the time. So yeah, I figured I'd show them here. So here you can see that I have a Docker file that just creates a very simple shell script that just says hello and prints its arguments after it. And it's called foo. And what I've did in the past is you use a CMD like this, and you call your executable to start your application, like so, and then you do docker build foo, and then docker run foo, and then you have your application running. But then it gets a bit trickier when when your application has command line arguments or stuff like that, because now if I try to have let's say I want to print hello as my after my in my echo in my little script, you can see that all of a sudden I don't have an executable, and this is because CMD is actually just the default command arguments. So here I've said hello, and basically what Docker did is that it replaced the first argument, so the executable that will be executed when you do docker run, by hello, and hello doesn't exist. So to remedy that, when you have an application that a Docker container that is made to package an executable, you can use ENTRYPOINT. Like this. Here I specify my executable, and now you can see that if I build it, if I run it alone, it still runs the script as usual, but now if I add arguments, say hello, you can see that it didn't replace this by hello, but it added it, so it did this basically under the hood. And so, and now you might wonder, so why is there a CMD with the entry point? And that's because you can still use a CMD with entry point. And so let's say hello, bonjour, and let's say hello here, like so. And now if I do docker build and I do docker run without arguments, it will take those thing. It will basically concatenate the entry point and the CMD. But if I have my own argument, you can see that basically those are default arguments, and they will be replaced by whatever you put in the command line. So yeah, that's about it. You should know that you can also override the entry point with the entry point argument. I'm not sure if I should put it here or before the image name, although this is more like for debugging and stuff, but like you could say echo maybe, I'm not sure. You can see that it changed the entry point, but obviously that's not yeah, as I said, it's more for debugging. You shouldn't be like you should design your things so that user can do docker run, and the rest is kind of like your regular command line that you would use with your executable. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you learned a small thing, and yeah, see you in the next one.